Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ives number WS404 US3 convex rubber wall bumper in a polished brass finish. This is just the outer escutcheon. And these, the WS404, they're great because they're effective and they're small and they're inexpensive and they're architecturally compatible with things. Here's where you're going to use this. Long wall. Perpendicular to that long wall is where all the tellers are in the bank. You've got that teller door and it opens against that long wall. Got a $500 lock installed on it, mechanical combination, and you've got $1 million of drywall construction, and you don't want one to hit the other sort of thing. You don't want to destroy both. So I say take this little tiny little item that you can barely see on the wall that is 1 inch in diameter and be done with the problem. And that's a perfect application for something so small. Anywhere where you want a very small footprint of something for a door, this would work. Cabinet doors, I've seen this installed in a variety of places. Very appropriately placed in those areas where a cabinet would otherwise hit something that it should not hit. Hardware that shouldn't touch another surface. So the installation is going to be, you've got the rosette, which is threaded down in the base. You've got the rubber bumper. Those two go together. Before that, you're going to take this piece of plastic that is also threaded with the countersunk hole and that single drilled hole. You're going to install that piece of plastic down to the wall with the roll plug and the flathead sheet metal screw. Then take the little brass pin and put it right through the hole, and that will just prevent twisting. That's all. Tap, tap, you're done. No problem at all. Then, of course, bring your assembly together in this and just thread it right onto the base. You'll turn that until it's finger tight, and your installation is complete. Okay. There's a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure. Let's check that out. That is handy because it shows you the Ives 404 and Ives immediate sister products to it. It also tells you that the base diameter is 1 inch. That is indeed the case. That the projection is 17/32, so just basically 1/2 of an inch. Also will tell you that it's available in 8 different finishes. Let's go over it. US3, which is this, which is 605, that's polished brass. Well, in Ives language, but that's a misprint in that catalog. Here's Ives language. B3, that's 605, that's polished brass. B4, that's 606, that's satin brass. B5, that's 609, that's antique brass. B10B is 613, that's oil rub bronze. B15 is 619, that's satin nickel. B15, they don't have an antique nickel. Next one, B26 is 625 finish, is polished chrome. B26D is 626 finish, and that's satin chrome. You can get that on all of these items. Made of brass, totally concealed mounting, discourages vandalism or tampering. Okay, complete unit. There is also a link below this video to a document called Installation. That's nice because it's a technical drawing of the item and obviously a reference to installation instructions, which we've kind of just covered, but that's there and very helpful. Finally, there's a link below this video to a document, pardon me, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line Ives catalog and review all things Ives hardware related. Not only, well, this is probably residential, but commercial as well. But not only door stops, of course, pivots, aluminum continuous geared hinges, pin and barrel hinges, door stops, kick plates, push and pull hardware, and the list just goes on. I'm partial to Ives, not only because of the fact that they're an easy sell. Everyone knows the name Ives. Their name is literally synonymous with trim and auxiliary hardware. But that aside, their customer service and their technical support are exemplary. Every time, every call, every email, answered correctly, and answered promptly. In the world of trim and auxiliary hardware, I could probably rattle off 7 major manufacturers. And what separates them? Support, customer support, technical support, things of that nature, and Ives does it very well. Why does it matter to you? Well, if you're an architect, if you're a specifier, if you're a building engineer and trying to figure out, we're going to build another 100-bed wing, who should we think about? Ives is a good option. I would take a long, hard look at Ives. Any questions on the Ives WS404 and a US3 finish, convex, tiny little wall bumper and a polished brass finish, or any other Ives product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.